Alright, it is Tuesday. It's a little bit windier today. And we're moving it up till we're going to add a K here. And where we know that the vertex can be found at H and K. If you think back to yesterday, this H and this H are opposite numbers. So if I have, for example, f of x equals x minus 3 squared plus a 5, we know our vertex is opposite. These are opposites, so it's going to be a positive 3, and here is our K. So we know that's going to be the vertex of our graph. So if I were to look at it as a sketch, I'm going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my graph is going to start right there. And so I know I'm doing this somehow. And in order to find out these points, I have to plot them again. And this is going to get way too big, but I'll do a couple of them. But we've got a new term we need to find. It's called the axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry means if you draw a vertical line right down the middle, they're going to be mirror images of each thing. And the axis of symmetry is always going to be x equals h. So our axis of symmetry in this case is x equals 3. That is our axis of symmetry because it's going to split this graph. It'll be equidistant on either side now. I can plug them in my table, and let's say I do -1, 0, and 1 because I don't want to do a whole lot. -1 minus 3 is -4 squared. 16 plus 5 gives me a 25. 0 minus 3 is 3. -3 squared is 9 plus 5, and I get 14. And then a 1 minus 3 is -2 squared is 4 plus 5, and I get 9. So now I would go plot those points. I don't have room, but I would plot these points on here to get my graph. The key thing I need you to know is how to get the vertex and how to find the axis of symmetry. Those are the two main things. Vertex is opposite of this number and that, and the vertex is where we start our graph. That's the lowest portion or the tallest portion, which we'll find out tomorrow. And the axis of symmetry, which is always x equals whatever your h value is, this h. So our axis of symmetry is here. And that's all I got for your math lesson today. That's pretty quick. I want to show you where I am. I showed you a little bit yesterday that I was at the Double Mountains, and here is the Double Mountains up close. And I've been very fortunate to get to have climbed those several times. The one on the right is owned by a famous quarterback. That was one of the original members of the Football Hall of Fame. His son lives out here now. It was not discovered. The Comanche Indians used to use it. Quanah Parker was all over this area, and Spanish explorers used it in the 1700s. And then there was a cattle trail that was blazed through here, and all the buffalo hunters used to meet here in the late 1700s and early 1800s. Kind of interesting. Outside of Ropan, and this is called the Lazy Bar S Ranch.